Hello and welcome to Total Touch Point of Sale Software. Today we're going to be going over some more remote printer options and settings. This is our third video in a series about remote printers. So let's look at the Print Format tab now. This just lets you format how your printer is going to print the receipt when you send it. You can click things and it'll change how it looks on the right here as an example. Alternate Printer allows you to temporarily reassign printers as other printers. And Printer Assignment allows you to add printers en masse to departments. So let's create a couple of test printers to show how that works. So, if we select food, we can select remote printers 1 through 8. And I'll show you where that is on the menu. So if we go to the cheeseburger, remote item description. So if we go to the cheeseburger, here's the first 4 printers and here's the next 4 printers for that previous screen. While we're here, I want to explain remote item description is what's going to print at the printer. If you have an item that is too long to fit on the printer, you can shorten it here. The POS will automatically shorten the item for you, and you can put whatever you want here if you want to change that. So let's go back to our remote printer settings. Go to Printer Assignment, click Food. So if we go to remote printer number 1, we have a drop down of 12 different printers here. And those 12 printers are pulled from these 12 printers over here. So if we go here and select 1, it says Kitchen, which matches over here. If we select 2, it says Test 2, same as 2 here. So what you can do is set multiple printers. And this is the food department. We're going to set printers 1 through 3 as these printers. I'm going to hit Apply, and it's going to set it for all of the items in the food department. So let's hop over to the items here and take a look. So now my first, second, and third printer have been set on every item in my food department. You want to be careful with this because I'll show you if you have printers already set. If you go into the remote printer configuration, printer assignment, click food. If we go remote printer 1 and click apply, this is going to only have remote printer 1 being kitchen. It's going to erase everything else. So we'll go back to our items, take a look at that. And now our first printer is the kitchen, and we don't have anything else on any of the printers.